In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight text in Gmail email. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make important details pop so your readers don't miss them. First, open Gmail in your browser and sign in to your account. Give the inbox a moment to load. If you use more than one account, make sure you're in the inbox you want to send from so everything ends up in the right place. Next, click the Compose button. You'll find it near the top left of the Gmail interface. This opens a new message window, usually in the bottom right corner of your screen. Now compose your message. Add the recipient, fill in a clear subject line, and start drafting the body of your email. It's easiest to apply highlighting after you've written the sentence or phrase you want to emphasize. So type out your content first. Select the text you want to highlight. Click and drag your mouse over the specific word, sentence, or paragraph. You'll know it's selected when it appears with a shaded selection on your screen. Be as precise as you like. Gmail will apply the formatting only to what's selected. Look along the bottom of the Compose window for the formatting toolbar. Click the letter A icon, the one with an underline. This opens the formatting menu, revealing options for text color and background color, along with other styling tools. Decide whether you want to change the text color or the background color. Text color changes the color of the letters themselves. Background color adds a highlight behind the text, which is the classic way to draw attention without altering the font color. For most emphasis, background color is the best choice. With your text still selected, choose the color you want. A palette will appear, click a color, and you'll immediately see the change applied to your selection. If the shade is too bold or too light, simply pick a different one until the contrast looks right. Aim for a color that stands out while staying readable against white or light backgrounds. And that's how you highlight text in Gmail. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Choose subtle, high-contrast colors for readability. Keep highlighting minimal so it truly signals importance. And if you change your mind, you can undo right away or reopen the color menu and select None to remove the highlight. This process works best on the desktop web version of Gmail. The mobile app may look different and offer fewer formatting options. You're all set to make your emails clearer and more impactful with simple, effective highlights.